Welcome back to Charlie Sir Classes. I am Sarvacharya Budhimoksam, Vedic Mathematics and Creative Memory Skills Trainer. Today's module is any number divided by 25 within 5 seconds of time. It is very helpful for all the competitive exams and also academic exams. So here in the last module we discussed about any number divided by 5. Now we are discussing about 25 division. The number may be either integral number or decimal number. First we consider all integral numbers, then we will move on to the decimal numbers also. First let's take one example here. Suppose if you want to divide 36 divided by 25. When you want to divide with this, just what you need to do here is 36 is there. Instead of dividing with the 25, what you do? Just 36 you take and multiply with 4. What you get here? 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12. What it becomes? 144. But 144 is not the answer. But you can write it here 1, 4 and 4. From the right hand side, after 2 digits you place the decimal point. Like this. Means when you divide 36 by 25, the result is 1.44. Like this. Suppose if you consider 2-digit number is done and 3-digit number if you take 156 is divided by 25. When you divide 156 by 25, just you take 156 into 4. Here multiplying by 4 also we are using the technique, that is just you can do any number into single digit technique. That is 4 6 are 24. Write down here, put the partition. 4 5 are 20 and put the partition. 4 1s are 4. Now you can balance it here 4. This is 2 and 6. Write down here 624. But 624 is not the answer. What is the answer? From the right hand side, after 2 digits you place the decimal point. That is 6.24 is your answer. So similarly we consider one more 3-digit number, little big number, that is 999, which is 3-digit number, the greatest number, right, which is divided by 25. So what to do? 999 multiply with 4. 9 is 36, 36, 36, write down 6939. So write down here 3996. So where you place the decimal point? After 2 digits from the right hand side, here you put, that is 39.96. 39.96 is the result when you divide 999 by 25. Like this, any number you can do. The division by 25 for the integral numbers we have seen. Now let's see some decimal numbers also. Sir, suppose sometimes decimal numbers are given, how to divide by 25 or 2.5 or 0.25. So means this is the decimal division. So how to do with the decimals? So let's consider some examples and we try to understand. Suppose if the number is given, one example we consider here, that is 48.342 is divided by 25. So I am taking this is decimal number and this is 25. After that here also decimal, we will consider in the next examples. Okay, first what you do? 48342, just to multiply by 4. Now what you get? 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16. Right. We can balance it. 8, 6, 3, 3 and 19. So you can write it here 193368. So in the given number, after the 3 digits from the right hand side, there is a decimal point. Now you need to move 2 more digits towards left from the right hand side. Means how many digits we need to count total? Total we need to count 5 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put the point here. Means your answer is how much? 1.93368. Like this you can do. So let's consider one more little big number, that is example number 2 we take, that is 843.625 divided by 25. So your total, if you consider as a digits, there are 6 digits, you are dividing with 25. How to do with the using the technique? 843,625 into 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 2 is 8, 4 6 24, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 16, 4 8 is 32. Let's balance 0, 0, this is 5 and this is 4 and 7, 33. Let's write down here. That is 3374500. Now, in the given question, after 3 digits there is a point. Now 2 more digits it needs to move towards the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the answer is 33.745. After the decimal point zeros we don't consider. 0 has no significance. Therefore 33.745 is your answer. Like this, any decimal number is given. If you want to divide with 25, you can divide with this. And now one more case also we can consider, when the given dividend is also decimal number and divisor is also decimal number. What to do? Let's consider one more example. That is come to third example. That is, we take 38.34 and divide by 2.5. So here this is also decimal number and this is also decimal number. How to do? Let's see. 3834 into 4. The same 25 technique we apply here. And 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32. 4 3s are 12. So now you can write 6 3 3 1 5. So let's write down here 1 5 3 3 6. So after 2 digits there is a decimal point. And in the denominator, after 1 digit there is a decimal point. So what to do? Instead of moving 2 digits towards the left, here it will move only 1 digit. That is what happens here, 2 digits plus 1 digit, total 3 digits, means 1 2 3. So this answer is 15.336 is your answer. Let's try with little bigger number, and that is some 3 digit number we will take. 562.342 divided by 0.25. Here this is also decimal number and this is also decimal number. Now you consider 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2. Just multiply by 4. What happens? 8, 16, 12 and 8, 24 and 20. Just multiplying. 2 4 is 8, like that. So 8, 6 and balancing this 3. This becomes 9 and 4 and 22. Write down here. 2, 2, 4, 9, 3, 6, 8. Now, so what to do? After how many digits there is a decimal point? After 3 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. So here after 2 digits. So actually when you are dividing with 25, 2 digits this side it will move. But here after 2 digits there is a decimal point. Just you can write after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So like 1, 2, 3. So here you can place the decimal point. Means the answer is 2249.368. So when after 1 digit there was a decimal point, here we moved only 1 digit this side. But here after 2 digits from the right hand side there is a decimal point. We don't move anywhere. Wherever it is, there we put here. This is your final answer. Like this, any number you can divide by 25 or 2.5 or 0.25. Anything you can take, any number of digit numbers you can divide within 5 seconds of time. This is very important for all the competitive exams, especially for GMAT. I think you enjoyed this technique. If you like it, please like, comment and share. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe Charlie Sir Classes. Thank you. Thank you very much.